What's going on, people? Right now,
Oh, so the whole strand's out.
it is 8:30. Alright, so, 8:30 at night. We are going to get my fishing partner, Colin Walensky. We're going to drive. He'll be there around 10. We're meeting him at 10. Then we got to drive back. We have nothing ready. So I got to go pick him up. Then we're coming back. We're going to get his stuff ready. And then we're going to fish tomorrow. So it's going to be a late night. Let's go get him. Let's go. Forgot my keys inside. Pretty hectic night tonight. Walking into Walmart right now, as you all can see. We gotta get some fishing line, and then after that, gotta look at some GoPro accessories for tomorrow's trip. Alright guys, currently it is 8:55. Just got the items from Walmart. Had to get a GoPro accessory, some line, and we had to get a soda for the road, as you guys all know. So now we are going to Holt Summit to pick up my buddy. We're meeting him at 10. And literally, it is like 8:55, and with traffic on New Year's, it's about an hour away, so we better get going. I don't even know what I'm going to do. Right now it's 9:40. I got like 10 minutes to get to Holt Summit. 15 minutes. It's 9:44. And 9:45. Alright. So, as you guys saw, we made it to the right McDonald's because I got the hammer, the one and only Mr. Colin Walensky. Okay, so just picked up Colin. Now I think we're going to head back to the lake. And we got to get ready for tomorrow's adventure. But what an interesting time. What an interesting journey here. So we're going to go back and get ready for tomorrow's adventure. Let's go. Awesome. Today is the day, right?
Yep.
We're going fishing today. Just rolled up to the ramp a little bit ago. So we're going to get after it. What are we going to do?
We are going to throw a jig. If it's windy, maybe an A-ring.
You heard it. So we're going to get after it.
It's approximately 6:30.
Let's get it started.
Let's get going.